Yo, what's up guys? Daniel here. Today I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing of the Rosewill Hive. This is a 750 watt, fully modular gaming power supply. By gaming power supply, they just mean it's rated for, high performance products. This will work for gaming. It would work for things like workstation computers, but I wouldn't recommend it just because with workstations you need a little more, redundancy and protection, and this isn't really going to give you that. This is more designed for just strictly getting power to your system. The modular will make it nice for cable management and things alike, but let's go ahead and get this opened. I already cut a slit in the packaging a little bit just to make this easier. Maybe, not really. There we go. So then let's get this out of the glossy plastic, and then we'll go over the box now that you guys can kind of see it a little better. So as you can see on the front, it's 80 plus bronze. It has a 3-year warranty. On the side, it just goes over the specifications for different power supplies. This is the 750. They also have a 550 and a 650. And then they just show off the connectors that are on each. So as you can see, the 750 model has 2 floppy, 6 Molex 4-pin, 8 SATA, 4 PCIe 6x2s. This is the only of the 3 that has an EPS 12 volt 8-pin. And then they each have the ATX 20x4 and the ATX/EPS 12 volt. If you don't know what that means, that's okay. Most of the time you don't need to know what all of these mean. Some of them are important, some of them are used less. Now it does have some nice features, so let's go ahead and stop making you guys read sideways and we'll go over those. So obviously the 3-year warranty, modular cable design. It has a silent 135mm fan. We will test how silent that is later and see. But multi-GPU support, quite a bit of nice features. Let's go ahead and start taking a look at the innards of this packaging. And here we go. So first off, we have the book about the Hive 80 plus that we don't care about. Let's go ahead and start taking a look. So here's your typical power supply cable. I have like 100 of these now. And then we start getting into the device itself. Let's see. So this is one of the, I believe it's called like partial modular, by the way, where this doesn't come unplugged. These are the cords that go to your motherboard that you will need anyway. So they don't come unplugged. I don't know if there are power supplies that do. I don't really care. This works out perfect, though, because as you can see, you have in black and red 2 different sets of ports for each different set of usage. And then in this nice little bag comes all of your cables. I am glad that they kind of included that, just so you can take all of your spare cables and have them nice and safe off to the side. It comes with zip ties. I did not realize that. That is awesome. Obviously it comes with, power supply screws. That's what's in this bag. I know it's kind of hard to see, you guys, but it's just power supply screws. It's nothing fancy. And then the rest of it is just loads of cables. And a nice little mesh bag with the Rosewill logo on it. Let's go ahead and get this zip back up, and then we will just take a nice little tour of the power supply itself, and that will be it. There we go. So on this power supply, specifications, it goes over the AC output and DC output, total power, all that mumbo jumbo. Right here you have a little switch and the power connector. As you can see, kind of inside that power supply there, fan, and that's about it. Let's go a little more detailed on the connectors. I kind of already read you guys what it had, but at least that way you guys can get a nice little look at them. And there we go. So you guys got a chance to look at all of the power supply, and the cables are all right here. Let's get the last of the cables. Whoops, sorry. And there we go. So that is what that box includes. This will be going in my AMD A10 build for now, and eventually I'll add a graphics card, and I possibly might get, you know, a spare computer and everything, and have all of that set up in a fun and interesting way. Maybe 2 computers running, one for video editing and rendering and one for gaming. We will see. But yeah, that's going to be it, you guys. If you are excited to see how this computer is going to turn out once it's all done, make sure you subscribe. I will be doing a couple test benchmarks over the next couple of days of recording this, and then I will be doing some more in-depth once I get my new case. I'm eventually going to get liquid cooling along with a SSD and graphics card, so we'll have a nice little setup there for doing just about everything. Once again, I do thank you guys for watching, and have yourself a great day.